Dubbed the largest free trade area since the establishment of the World Trade Organization, the African Continental Free Trade Area seeks to unite over 1.3 billion people in a $3.4 trillion economic bloc. Rosalind Ndiho, a senior investment expert at the AfCFTA Secretariat in Accra, says the African Union has established the structure for implementation of this trade agreement to facilitate the promotion of trade within the region and with the rest of the world.
It is critical that people should be able to move goods, people should be able to move themselves, they should be able to move across the borders, and they should also be able to move capital. It is critical because trade is a source of economic engagement.
The World Bank estimates it can lift tens of millions out of poverty by 2035. However, obstacles remain for it to reach its full potential.
Currently, Africa's percentage of global trade is 3%. It is extremely low. And intra-Africa trade is also low. We have a lot of exports coming in from external into the continent, and yet we have the resources required to value add and to trade amongst ourselves.
Free Trade Area officials hope the African Continental Free Trade Area will help unlock Africa's long-steamed economic potential by boosting intra-regional trade and strengthening supply chains and spreading expertise.
It is enabling the movement of these goods. It is removing tariffs of over 90% of goods and also facilitating the service provision within the continent.
A report published in 2022 by the African Export-Import Bank says the African Continental Free Trade Area could emerge as a significant growth springboard for Africa's creative industries, generating over $2 trillion annually and employing nearly 30 million people across the continent. Ndiho, VOA News, Washington.